The king immediately recognized the god that had brought him so many delicious treats and ordered his footmen to rescue the Marquis of Carabas.
The young
man was given clothes worthy of his status and was invited to sit in the carriage.
status and
was invited to sit in the carriage where he held an amiable conversation with the king and the princess. In the meantime, the cat sprinted ahead and told everyone he met along the way. The king and the princess are coming this way. They'll ask you who owns this land, and you must say, "The Marquis of Carabas," without delay. Then he scampered off the hill towards the castle and of the real owner of the land, an evil ogre with magical powers.